Hi guys, this is PJ Azurin, and for today, we're gonna have some basic guitar tutorial. And I've heard or I've received so many requests that, hey, PJ, can you make a guitar tutorial? So I'm gonna grant that request right now, and for a series of videos, please watch for my upcoming videos. So I'm gonna make some series of guitar tutorials. I'm gonna walk you through on each chords or each basic chords that you can use in playing a song. So for today, we're gonna discuss we're gonna cover the C chords or the C major chords. Okay, let's go. Oh, and if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and ring that notification bell so that if I have new videos or tutorials or any song covers or original song composition, you'll be notified. And I also do live stream as well. Okay? All right, let's go. Okay, so for the basic guitar, you need to learn how to place your fingers correctly on the frets. So we call this frets, we call this strings. Okay, and for the fingers, for C chord, we will use three fingers that we have. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and for the C chord, you can refer to the guitar tab that you can see on the internet. I'll gonna place it here. Okay, here. Okay, for the first one, it's on the second level. Number 1 here, second, and the number 2 here, number 2. Okay, on the 4th, and number 3 is on the 5th, okay, so this is what a C looks like. Okay, C chord looks like. All right, and for the strings, if you can check there, the top portion is X, meaning you will not include that on your strumming. So if you see O, you will include that. If you see an X, you will not include that on your strumming. So if it's X on the first part of the string, you will not include that on your strumming. So you will start your strumming on the second string. Okay. So this is what C chord sounds like. Okay, so you can start with down, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So that's what a C chord looks like. For your thumb, you don't need to press anything. So the thumb will just be at the back supporting your pressing of the fingers on the 1, 2, 3 fingers that you have. And make sure that your finger doesn't touch the lines. Okay. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So this is what C chord looks like. And for future chords, we're gonna tackle a different one. But for today, you need to practice the C chord for now. Okay. this is C, okay? So make sure you will not touch the first string on your strumming, okay? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so yun po ang key of C, and hopefully you learned something for today, and please get back to my channel for more upcoming guitar tutorial. Okay, and this is PJ AZURIN. God bless you all. Bye bye.